The Innovation Studio is an interprofessional makerspace, and what we mean by that is it's a place for people from across campus to come together to work on ideas that improve the health and well-being of the world. When we founded the Innovation Studio, we wanted to ensure that the barriers to entry were minimal. In order to do this, we've created 3 simple criteria for teams to be eligible for funding and support from the Innovation Studio. So as long as there are students, faculty, and staff from different professional backgrounds, and the faculty and staff members follow intellectual property policy, then we guarantee we will fund them on our pitch days. Inside the Innovation Studio, you're going to find a wide array of prototyping materials from 3D printers to laser cutters to vinyl cutters. You'll also see a bunch of computing hardware that can help people get any type of physical prototype off the ground.
One of my specialties is physical product development. So when somebody comes into the studio with a physical product, I can help them take their idea from concept to reality with things like 3D printing and other means of manufacturing.
And if you're someone who has an idea for a service or solution and don't want to develop a physical prototype, the Innovation Studio is absolutely still available to provide you the services and resources you need to be successful.
I was able to work with the staff and the equipment in the Innovation Studio to develop a prototype, which I was able to show to a local company that is interested in taking the product to production.
So the Innovation Studio has provided me with the funding needed to publish a children's book titled In Your Tummy. So the book accentuates the importance of the microbiome and encourages children to eat more fruits and vegetables.
We believe that it's the clinician who should be making the decision about the changes that need to occur in healthcare. The Innovation Studio is the place for these clinicians to come to and connect, create, and collaborate on the ideas and innovations that will impact the health and well-being of the world.